Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying basics so you don't waste time. Power cycle the Chromebook and immediately test the touchpad. This clears transient firmware issues. Once done, unplug any external mice or USB devices. Those can hijack input. Next, open Settings, go to Device and Touchpad, and confirm the touchpad is enabled and sensitivity is set mid-range. Extreme values can feel like failure. These steps isolate whether the issue is software configurable or needs deeper intervention. Now focus on software layers that control the touchpad. Update Chrome OS from About Chrome OS and install any pending patches. Drivers are bundled with updates. If updates don't help, try a guest session or create a temporary account to see if the problem is profile-specific. Extensions or accessibility settings can interfere. As a last resort, perform a power wash to reset settings, but first back up to Google Drive. If you need to, use recovery mode to reinstall the OS and rule out corrupted system files. Finish with physical troubleshooting when software is cleared. Turn off and inspect the touchpad edge for debris or moisture. Clean gently with a 70% isopropyl wipe and let dry. Oil and grime can block capacitance. If you're experienced, open the case and reseat the touchpad cable. Loose connectors are common. If the touchpad still fails or you see damage, document exact symptoms and contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair center. Do not force internal repairs if under warranty, because that can void coverage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.